We are going to set up UV. It's an extremely fast Python package manager. It's a single tool for managing Python version, pip dependencies, virtual environments, and many more. It's super fast since it's written in Rust, and it's very easy to use. So to install UV, we just need to copy this command here, open up our terminal, and hit paste. And it will download for your version and install. So this is how you can use UV. You can initialize a project. You can there are also ways to create a Python environment. So this way you can install different versions of Python. You can create a virtual environment with a Python version, and it also has a pip interface which allows you to use the familiar pip install commands that you use. And here it allows you to create a virtual environment using the global Python version. So it allows you to use the familiar pip interface, virtual environment interface, install Python similar to pyenv, and it also has tools like rough. Also allows you to package the dependencies for single scripts. So example, you have a single Python script here and you are importing requests. So you could add this request dependency for this script, example.py, and next time wherever you want to run it, you can use UV to run that Python script, and it would install the packages required in an isolated virtual environment and run that script. So single-use Python scripts that have very few dependencies, this is very easy to run and share with other people. All of these in a single super fast package. And to add it to our home directory, we need to run these or restart our shell. So I can restart my shell and try UV. So I've got all of these commands available. Like we saw, we can run a command, initialize a project, add dependencies, so install Python versions, install pip packages, create a virtual environment, and a lot more customizations for how you want to use your Python environment on your system. So let's try with a simple example. Let me create a test Python project. It's an empty directory, and if I say UV init, it would create a main file, pytoml file, a readme file that initializes this project. And if I want to see what's inside it, it's just a simple file with nothing much inside it. And the project has the Python version, the package version, the description, dependencies, and I could add a virtual environment. So if you can say UV-env, and what this would do is it would create a virtual environment at this using this Python version and create at this location. And to activate this environment, I can just copy paste this source command, and now you can see my Python environment, virtual environment, is activated. And to add packages to this Python environment, I can say things like UV pip install numpy, and this will install numpy and all its dependencies. So it's preparing the numpy package, it's installing it. So it's installed numpy now, and if I do my pip list, doesn't show me much, but if I do UV, it shows me that I have a numpy package here. You can install more packages. Similarly, can also run your Python file with uv run.